Hi, everyone. A warm welcome to everybody present here today. Today, we've gathered here to celebrate the success of the Dream Mile X. We're going to have a fun hour for sure. We're going to reflect on the Dream Mile X journey. There's going to be a little bit of entertainment. And last but not the least, the photo contest, which was held on the 27th of September, I am going to be announcing the winners at the end or maybe in between. I do not know that. But you do not want to go anywhere. Please grab your seats and stay there. Dream Mile is Vibha's flagship event, and till date, the event has positively impacted around 350,000 children. Dream Mile X, I would call it the Dream Mile with the X factor, was born just 2 years back with the objective that if you really want to make a difference, you could make it from anywhere. And who knew that 2 years down the line, an event which started with 110 participants would be Vibha's biggest fundraiser this year with 4,400 participants. Isn't that amazing? So, moving on, let's see how Dream Mile X did in terms of numbers. Isn't that incredible? We are truly overwhelmed looking at these figures. A small group of volunteers led by Vrindali, Alka and Vaishnavi started the preparation for this event way back in March. Slowly and steadily, volunteers from all the action centers, including India, came on board. Thousands of volunteer hours were spent in the preparation of this event. During the past few months, we had promotional live events called the Dream Fest. There was singing, Zumba, and a Bollywood workout, and everybody truly enjoyed that. We are also truly grateful to some of the well-known celebrities to have supported Dream Mile X. Ashish Nehra and Ajit Agarkar, Dino Morio, Mystery Chakraborty, and the Indian Consulate General of New Jersey, Randhir Jaiswal. Let's watch some of the highlights.
ज्योति कलश छलके, ज्योति कलश छलके, ज्योति कलश छलके, ज्योति कलश छलके, हुए गुलाबी लाल सुनहरे रंग दल बादल के, ज्योति कलश छलके। घर घर ठहर जाऊं, दिल ये संभल जाए, कैसे तुम्हें रोका मेरी तरफ आता हर दम फिसल जाए, बाहों में तुमको भरूं।
Vibha is an organization that's been continuously working for the empowerment and education of underprivileged children since 1991. So come, let's join hands with Vibha. Tvameva vidya dravidam tvameva tvameva sarvam mama deva deva.
Fulfilling your own dreams feels very good.
Great, correct.
But fulfilling somebody else's dreams feels even much better.
Hi, I'm Ajit Agarkar. Congratulations Vibha and its supporters and volunteers for achieving 3,000 plus registrations and raising $250,000 already in this event.
Hi, I support Vibha and its volunteers for a successful Dreamline. Stay fit with Vibha in September and run a few miles to achieve million dreams for children.
Hi, this is Randhir Jaiswal, the Consul General of India here in New York. I greet all Vibha volunteers, supporters and all those who will be participating in the marathon event, the annual marathon event that they are doing on 1st of September. I once again call you to come forward and support Vibha. Run with Vibha and share your joy and compassion with those who are less fortunate.
Hey guys, this is Mishti and today I'm superbly excited to be a part of this Dream Mile event which is organized by Vibha. But remember, this is not just any event and this is not just about fitness. By registering with us, you're going to help us build a better future and take care of the thousands of underprivileged children all across the country. So what are you waiting for? Join us and get into your running shoes.
थक गई राह चल चल कर, बुझ गई आग जल जल कर, थक गई राह चल चल कर मौला, मिला दे अब, मिला या रब, मिला दे अब खुद से मौला, मिला दे अब, मिला या रब, मिला दे खुद से मौला.
Vibha, educating and empowering children in need since 1991.
DreamILX got people closer in unknown ways. Families set goals, and it was heartening to see them encourage each other. 200 teams were formed, neighborhoods formed their own teams, and corporates formed theirs. Some of them called it a fitness month. There were friends who decided to complete their 10,000 steps a day no matter what, and they made sure to go out on their walks every day. Something that brought smiles and brightened up their lives. It was very overwhelming to see everyone accomplish their goals and go above and beyond. There were some very inspirational stories from across the globe. An 11-year-old boy completing 100 miles. A senior member saying that it's only thanks to the Dream Mile X and Vibha that he is now able to run non-stop for 30 minutes. A little 2-year-old girl crossing the finish line with her siblings. A little boy in Houston saying that he's doing this for the kids in India. A 92-year-old supporting the Dream Mile X and walking with her family. And a volunteer's dad in India participating in the Dream Mile X. Let's have a look at some of such stories.
Hello everyone. My name is Pratham Rao and I am 11 years old. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts about Vibha and my running. This is my third consecutive year running for Vibha. I ran my first 5K when I was 9 years old and finished it with a time of 26 minutes. I improved my time next year with my second 5K by 2 minutes. This year I took a different challenge. It is running 100 miles in 1 month and I completed it last month. VIBA is a great organization helping underprivileged kids get education, and the way I can contribute to this cause is by running. I am looking forward to continuing this tradition for many, many years. Thank you, VIBA. Bye.
Hi everybody, this has been I think one of the best VIBA walks that we've done. It's not about just one day anymore, it's keeping fit throughout. So 30 days of walking and running, it helps you cultivate the habit. So who all have registered, you've done a great job. Thank you for supporting VIBA.
Hi everyone, Dream Mile has been truly a dream come true, especially during this pandemic time when everybody is clinging for some sense of normalcy. Dream Mile has been a total savior. We formed a team, we are a team of 35 and everybody is so energized and lifting each other up. So thanks to VIBA for giving us this golden opportunity to really realize how strong we are. We got it in us and VIBA made us dig deep and find that strength within us. It has been a fabulous journey. Love it.
Hi guys, this is Nagmalleshwar representing Team Rise and Run from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. We are a group of friends from all walks of life settled in Vijayawada, and we are an enthusiastic, fun-loving and social responsible group who always comes forward to contribute for the good causes in the society around us. We came to know about VIBA from Mrs. Rama, who lives in Atlanta, USA. Knowing her as an active VIBA volunteer, we trust what she said and have gone through the viva.org site. We are really amazed by the social service activities carried out by VIBA organization through various projects like Shikshana, doorsteps, etc. for the cause of child education. It's really astounding to know how VIBA works and how it raises funds globally for the implementation of its projects. It's super fun for all of us at Team Rise and Run to be taking part in the Dream Mile Walk and Run 2020 event. A group of 30 plus people across ages from 10 to 50 years are taking part in the 5-kilometer walk or run on 27 September 2020. The idea of doing good to others always helps to build a healthy society. We always believe that helping hands are always better than praying lips. So let me also put forward that we are
Thank you, Preeti.
Namaste. I am Balwansi Chawla, lives in Ahmedabad, a retired government officer. I participated in VIBA's this virtual race of 100 miles X during this COVID-19 pandemic. From 1st September to 30th September, I completed 161 miles and my first 100 miles were completed in just 18 days. I also participated in VIBA's 5K Dream Mile race in 2015 when I was in Atlanta, Georgia. During that period also, I stood first in that 5K walk in my age category. Vibha is doing very noble work because they are raising the fund for underprivileged children all over the world for quality education of these children. My best wishes to Vibha and their volunteers and participants. Namaste.
Congratulations!
Guys, make some noise!
He's got a sexy banner with him.
Well done, thank you.
Hi, my name is Sushma and this is my first time I participated in the Dream Mile X and I had an amazing experience. I always wanted to do this every year but somehow it didn't work out. But this year, since it was a virtual event, I was able to do it and I just really enjoyed it. Our team, Shaija and Jasmeet, both of them were so helpful, and our team, it was so much fun to join a team because we were motivating each other. So it was a wonderful experience. Thank you.
When I started the program, I was, recording just about 3,500 steps. And then because of this program, I started amping it up. And this entire month, actually, I have done close to 10,000 steps, which is absolutely great. Especially during COVID, I think this is a very bonding experience for all.
So today I'm completing my Vibha 100 miles. Dream X Mile running. Actually, this is this 4 miles will complete my 100 miles. So the last 4 miles, my better half, my sweet Atans, is going to join with me, and I'm really proud of my Atans and I'm proud of myself that I was able to take up this challenge and complete this. I started this like September 1st and today I'm completing the 100 miles. And I'm so happy actually, like during this quarantine time, something purposeful, something useful I did, I can say that, like anything for the kids, anything for the kids. So when my friend Sandhya, she, thanks to Sandhya by the way, when my friend Sandhya, she introduced this to our friends group, like, I was so excited. But at the same time, I was also like thinking if I'll be able to complete this within a month. But yeah, I took up this challenge and I was able to complete it, and I'm so happy. And whoever is taking this challenge, go for it guys, and whoever is doing this for years, hats off to you guys. Yeah, this is my first year and I'm so happy and I'm so proud of myself. Thank you guys, thank you Sandhya, and thank you everybody who is doing this. Thank you.
Dream Mile X, we've raised approximately $400,000, empowering thousands of children and building a brighter future for them. This would not have been possible without the support of our sponsors. A huge thank you to all of them for believing in Vibha's mission and supporting us in these unprecedented times. A huge shout out to our title sponsor, the Paramount Software, the Platinum sponsors, Pyramid Consulting, Datum Software, Future Tech, Krypton Solutions, and Radio Mirchi. Our gold sponsors, Shah Family, Metroplex Medical Center, UPS, 33 Holdings, Global Payments, Equifax, Mayor Brown, North Fulton Smiles, and Novartis. And thank you to all the other silver and bronze sponsors.
Hello everyone. Did you know in the last 100 years, the humankind has not experienced a pandemic of this nature? What we are experiencing right now is very unprecedented, and it has impacted the whole humankind all across the world. In fact, I was just listening to Bill Gates talk about how the COVID-19 has impacted the malaria, the spread of malaria. The progress that has been made in the eradication of malaria is being pushed back by 20 years in some of the African countries. The pandemic is making it very tough for the non-profits to function. I'm very glad Vibha built its resilience and continued its support and in the efforts of providing, helping the underprivileged kids. Even though we are not so happy about not having the Dream Mile in person this year, Paramount family is very committed to continuously support Vibha. And more importantly, I want to thank hundreds of volunteers who did not take a step back in the midst of this pandemic. So keep doing the God's work and keep rocking, guys. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Ram Ganeshan, Senior Vice President at Datum Software. We have been associated with Vibha for 10 plus years now, and we are very happy to support all their efforts for charitable work and providing basic education to kids in India. What I like about Vibha in general is they not only offer monetary assistance, but also help kids on the ground, motivate them, and ensure that they finish their basic education. Even in this COVID pandemic times we are in, they have been helping local schools with distance learning, providing laptops, etc. I want to thank the Vibha management and the team of volunteers in all their efforts of doing this great charitable work, and my very best wishes to them. Thank you.
Once again, thank you so much to all the sponsors. Vibha is a volunteer-driven non-profit organization, and we at Vibha believe that molding young minds will give them the freedom to choose a better life. We give them wings in the form of opportunities to build a brighter future. The funds raised through the Dream My Legs will go towards supporting the projects which Vibha supports in India, and 10% funds are allocated for the projects in the US. These partners in the US align with Vibha's mission and philosophy. Dream My Legs was unique in a way that the partners in India and the US also participated in the event. In fact, Shikshana, which is one of our partners in India, 153 members of Shikshana participated in the event. Let's see what some of the partners have to say.
Hello everyone, Naveen from Shikshana Foundation, taking a part in Dream Mile virtual walk, and great initiative from Vibha. So a wonderful experience, in fact, like taking part in this good cause. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pranil Naik and I work for a not-for-profit called Leap Forward. With support from Vibha, we are pursuing the English Literate Maharashtra End State, whereby the desire is to bring English literacy to students who study in regional language government schools in the state. I wish you the best for the Dream Mile X event, and we at Leap Forward are also participating in this event with just a little tweak. When I heard that Vibha is organizing this event, and while the larger purpose was to raise funds so that Vibha can support more organizations like ours, we decided to tweak this event to suit our selfish interest. Though you don't see me fully in this video, I am in the need of losing weight, and quite a bit of it. So we said, could we use this opportunity given on platter by Vibha to do something healthy for the organization? So at Leap Forward, the entire staff of 50 people is divided into 10 teams of 5 people each, and every single day each team walks, runs, records the distance covered and the minutes walked. And on 30th September, we are going to do a small event to celebrate and reward the team who has done the maximum. And in case people had a good time doing this, and in my case, if I lose a little bit of weight, we may possibly see this continue in the next month also. I wish you all the best. I thank you for participating in this noble cause, and I thank Vibha for organizing this initiative. Thank you. Bye.
And that is how everyone came together to make this event truly remarkable. And now we have some lovely songs that are going to be played. The singers are Saswati Patnaik and Kartik Raman. They've been Vibha supporters for long. In fact, Saswati Patnaik was the Dream Voice winner, and Kartik Raman is a part of the Shankar Mahadevan Academy. So let's hear them sing. I will be announcing the winners of the photo contest very soon, so do not go anywhere.
बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग की आँख के तारे, ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग की आँख के तारे। ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे। खुद रूठे खुद मन जाए, फिर हम जोली बन जाए। झगड़ा जिसके साथ करे, अगले ही पल फिर बात करे। झगड़ा जिसके साथ करे, अगले ही पल फिर बात करे। इनको किसी से बैर नहीं, इनके लिए कोई गैर नहीं। इनका भोलापन मिलता है सबको बाह पसारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग की आँख के तारे। ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे। थैंक यू।
लागा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे, 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 घर जाऊं कैसे, लागा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे, लागा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे, लागा चुनरी में दाग। आदिम तनन दर्दतानुम तान दरे नदीम तनन दर्दतानुम तदरे नदीम तनन दर्दतानुम तदरे नदीम नदरे दरे तन दरे तन तुम दर्ददारे दारे दानी दीम तनन नन दर्ददानी दानी 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 दीम तनन दर्दतानुम तान दरे नदीम तनन दर्दतानुम तदरे ना। सप्त सुर नदी न ग्राम बंसी बाजे रिज धनी सनी धनी दब पम मग मद गम मगर जा दादा गड़ता दादा गड़ता दादा गड़ता तारन धारन धारत पैग परत नहीं परन झांझर जन के जनन नन नदर दीम तनुम नन नन तन तन नदीम तन दीम तन दीम तन नदर तानुम तन दर नदीम तन नदर तानुम दर ना नदर दोम दन दीम तन नन नन दीम तन नन नन दीम तन नन नन दर दोम तन नन दर दोम तन नन दर दोम तन नन दर दोम तन नन दीम तन नन दीम तन नन दीम तन नन दीम तदीम तदीम तन नन नन सनी जगरे रे सनी जगरे सनी रे सनी दब सनी दब पद बनी धनी द ब सनी द ब धनी सनी धनी सनी द द धनी द धनी सनी सनी धनी द सनी द सनी धनी धनी सरे दम द न न दम न न न न न द दम द न दीम द न न न दीम द न न न दीम द न न दर दम द न न दर दम द न न दर दम द न न na da da dum da da na da da dum da 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 dum da da dum 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 da da dum da klanda 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 da dum da klanda। सजन बिन आए ना मोहिनी दिया, रैन भर आए रे जागरतिया, काहे तो मोहे सजन पिया रे दिखे ये नजारे, माने ना अपनी अखियाँ सजन बिन आए ना मोहिनी सोच कर हमरी सारी बतियां मिलन को तरस मोरी अखियां धुन तेरी लागे गूंजे बगियां बावरी लागू कहती सखियां लाज ना आवे मोहे क्यों तू सतावे जोगन बन नाचूं सजन बिन आवे ना मोहे निंदिया Kamare zani 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 bani za gama ba gama bani za gare zani za gama ba gare zani za 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 gare 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 zani za gare zani za zani za za zani za za zani za 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 jan bin aaye na सजन बिन आवे ना मोहे निंदिया
And now, what we've been waiting for so long, the winners of the photo contest. So we've got 3 pictures which won the prize today. The first one is Matthew Pastush, the second one Kiran Sontake, and the third one is a group picture from New Jersey. So I'm sure they'll be able to decide who's going to get that Apple Watch. So here are the 3 pictures which won the prizes. Other than these 3, we've received so many pictures and it's been like amazing to go through all of them. But we are going to be recognizing 2 special people also, and we'll be sending them gift vouchers. A 2-year-old girl, Irina, who finished the 5K with her siblings, and 93-year-old lady from India who's Deep Ranjani Rai's mom. I think she just had a birthday, 93rd birthday on the 2nd of October. Congratulations, everybody. So as we've seen, the participation was overwhelming. I mean, the steps recorded, the miles recorded were truly phenomenal. And this was an honor system, but if you still want to go and see your results and see where you stand, you can go to Run Sign Up and see that. There's a certificate which you can also print. For t-shirts, if you have signed up to receive them by mail, you should be getting it soon. I'm wearing one, and trust me, it's a fabulous t-shirt, super comfortable, and I'm loving it. So if you've not signed up for a mail, then your t-shirt leads will be reaching out to you very soon to pick it up. So enjoy the t-shirt and the medal if you signed up for that too. Thank you everybody once again. If you want to know about the work that Vibha does, please go to vibha.org and you'll know what we do. You can volunteer and donate if you still want to. And it's a wrap. Thank you once again for spending your Sunday with us, and we will see you soon at another event. very soon. Thank you.
है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सौ सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सौ सलाम कर रहा है ये देश सौ सलाम उन्हें, लड़ रहे हैं लेके प्रेम की मशाल जो, स्वच्छता की लो लिए वीर हीरों को, जंग में डटे हुए शूरवीरों को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो अपनी जान को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो जान को उन्हें है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सौ सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सौ सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सौ सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सौ सलाम। सफेद कोट खाकी की मजबूत आँखों को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो अपनी जान को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो जान को उन्हें है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सौ सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सौ सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सौ सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सौ सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सौ सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सौ सलाम। कर रहा है ये देश सौ सलाम उन्हें, लड़ रहे हैं लेके प्रेम की मशाल जो, स्वच्छता की लो लिए वीर हीरों को, जंग में डटे हुए शूरवीरों को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो अपनी जान को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो जान को उन्हें है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सौ सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सौ सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सौ सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम सौ सलाम। अपनों की राह तक रही सूनी आँखों को, सफेद कोट खाकी की मजबूत आँखों को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो अपनी जान को। माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो जान को, उन्हें है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। कर रहा है ये देश सौ सलाम उन्हें, लड़ रहे हैं लेके प्रेम की मशाल जो, स्वच्छता की लो लिए वीर हीरों को, जंग में डटे हुए शूरवीरों को। माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो अपनी जान को। माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो जान को, उन्हें है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। अपनों की राह तक रही सूनी आँखों को, सफेद कोट खाकी की मजबूत आँखों को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो अपनी जान को। माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो जान को, उन्हें है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सलाम है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। कर रहा है ये देश सौ सलाम उन्हें, लड़ रहे हैं लेके प्रेम की मशाल जो, स्वच्छता की लो लिए वीर हीरों को, जंग में डटे हुए शूरवीरों को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो अपनी जान को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो जान को, उन्हें है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। अपनों की राह तक रही सुनी आँखों को, सफेद कोट खाकी की मजबूत आँखों को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो अपनी जान को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो जान को, उन्हें है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। कर रहा है ये देश सौ सलाम उन्हें, लड़ रहे हैं लेके प्रेम की मशाल जो, स्वच्छता की लो लिए वीर हीरों को, जंग में डटे हुए शूरवीरों को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो अपनी जान को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो जान को, उन्हें है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम है सलाम, है सलाम है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। अपनों की राह सफेद कोट, खाकी की मजबूत आँखों को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो अपनी जान को। माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो जान को। उन्हें है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम। कर रहा है ये देश सौ सलाम उन्हें, लड़ रहे हैं लेके प्रेम की मशाल जो, स्वच्छता की लो लिए वीर हीरों को, जंग में डटे हुए शूरवीरों को, माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो अपनी जान को। माँ भारती की सेवा के करोड़ों हाथों को कुर्बा कर रहे हैं जो जान को। उन्हें है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, सौ सौ सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम, है सलाम।